If you're trying to get the best Titan sub implosion simulation or deal with a cracked porthole situation, knowing how these things work can save you a ton of stress and money. So, when you're looking at Titan sub implosion simulations, the main thing is understanding how pressure and materials interact underwater. Start by checking out detailed simulation software that models pressure changes realistically, because that's key to predicting implosion risks. If you want real accuracy, make sure the software accounts for different depths and material weaknesses. For cracked portholes, the first thing to do is avoid any more stress on the glass. Stop using the sub immediately and get it inspected. Don't try any quick fixes yourself because a tiny crack can turn into a full-on disaster underwater. Instead, find a professional who can assess whether the porthole needs replacing or if it can be reinforced safely. Also, regular maintenance checks are clutch for preventing these issues in the first place. Keep an eye on manufacturer guidelines about maximum depth and pressure limits so you don't push your sub over the edge. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Titan sub implosion simulations is relying on outdated or generic software that doesn't match their exact sub specs, which messes up safety predictions. Fix this by always using up-to-date simulation tools tailored to your specific model. Another common issue is ignoring small cracks or scratches on portholes because they seem harmless, but they actually weaken the structure big time. To get any damage checked by a pro right away. Lastly, overloading the sub beyond its rated depth or pressure limits is a huge no-no that leads to implosion risks. Stick strictly to the recommended limits, and don't try to push it for longer dives or deeper waters. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, so you don't have to stress about finding reliable help. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to get more work and build your reputation without all the usual hassle.